Three-Zee's my favourite. She's got a new song out. I love it.
Nice tune, Alv.
I'm her #1 fan. I know everything about her.
Really?
Yeah, I even know how to get in touch with her. Like my friends already have. Three-Zee even messaged them back.
Pause the song, Mo. I doubt that, sis.
But she did.
Yeah, well, I bet it's just some faker. That happens a lot.
Really?
Just because a person says they're Three-Zee online doesn't mean they really are. Hold on.
I wonder if this kind of thing has ever happened in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! Pom, nice tune.
Thanks, Alva. This is Snee-Zee's biggest hit on Oolify. I'm his #1 fan. He wears a gizmelon over his head so that no one knows what he looks like. He's also super kind and generous to all his fans. And he's coming to Gizmo for his final ever show this evening. I'd love to meet him and get a selfie. Ooh, and his autograph.
Selfies, autographs, that can be arranged. Hello, Alva.
Hi, Mayor Garth. What's that?
It's Snee-Zee's favorite, bumbleberry cake. But it's also the trolls' favorite. They can smell bumbleberries a mile away. So I'd best get it to the town hall in really quick time. I'm going to enjoy a slice with Snee-Zee before his show this evening.
Guys, I've just remembered something I've got to get ready for. See you all later.
Oh.
Wow, it's Snee-Zee. May I have a selfie too, please?
Of course. That'll be 2 Gizbits.
2 Gizbits? Oh.
Why have you got to pay for it? Didn't you say he was generous to his fans?
Well, yes, but I really want one.
How did you get here from the park so quickly?
The park? Do you want my autograph or not?
Yes, please.
2 Gizbits, please.
Wow.
Hey, you look like Snee-Zee fans. Want a selfie and an autograph? Only 2 Gizbits each.
But I just got your autograph, and I got a selfie with you in the park. Don't you remember?
I posed for a gazillion fans. I can't remember them all.
Seems to me that you're in 3 places at once. How can that be?
I'm a very famous pop star, and you thought I wasted my time.
We should follow him and find out what's really going on.
Huh?
What? Missed you.
There are 3 Snee-Zees?
No, Pom. There's only one. And I've a feeling he's not any of those 3.
The trolls!